you'd like to go out and smell the flowers without protecting your face, well, now's not the time, love.
In level 2 and above, it's really important that you're wearing face covering if you find yourself in a position where social distancing is not possible. This is so that the thousands of tiny droplets that come out of your face holes do not land on objects that other people might touch. It's a bit like wearing pants. If you sneezed and had a little bit of an accident, then if you're wearing pants and I'm wearing pants, the risk of contamination is a lot lower than if we went about thumbs out. Right, Fred?
Oh, not again!
And the more layers, the better. This goes for face coverings too. I'm going to make a nice and easy one at home. It's suggested that you have at least your undies and your trousers. That's 2 layers for those keeping up with the analogy, but I'm going to make mine 3. And much like briefs, cotton is best. Positioning is also really important as well. You want to cover both your nose and your mouth. Like this. Not this. Like this. Not this. Like this.
Not like this.
No, Fred. And once your face covering gets wet or dirty, remember to wash it with hot, soapy water, or if it's not reusable, throw it away. For more information on how to stay safe, visit covid19.govt.nz. And remember, don't share face coverings. You wouldn't wear your neighbour's undies on your face, would you?